So in this video, I'm just going to share my Robinhood app referral link where you'll be able to get up to $175 in free stock. So the way this works is firstly, you'll need to sign up to Robinhood using my link in the description. So step 1, click my referral link in the description and sign up to the Robinhood app. And for step 2, once you are approved for an account, you'll just need to fund it. And to be eligible for the offer, you can fund it with any amount, even as little as £1. And then once you've done that, you'll be rewarded with your free stock, which is usually about $7 to $8, but of course there is the chance it could be more, potentially going up to $175. And then once you've got your reward, you'll be able to select from a list of US companies, and that can include from the likes of Apple, Amazon, Tesla, and more. And then once you've claimed your stock, you'll then be able to hold it or sell it depending on your preference. But of course, just note you'll need to hold the funds in your account for 30 days before withdrawing. But I'll leave the full terms and conditions below as well, so you can also have a read. And that is pretty much it. So hit the link in the description, use my referral link, and enjoy your free stock.